Grouping economic activities, economic sectors. Economic activities can be grouped together based on shared characteristics, forming what we call economic sectors. There are three main economic sectors: primary, secondary, and tertiary. Primary sector, working with nature. Primary sector activities involve directly using natural resources to produce goods. People in this sector rely on nature for their livelihoods, such as growing crops, extracting minerals, or fishing. Common primary activities include agriculture, forestry, mining, and livestock farming. Examples include harvesting vegetables from farms, collecting timber from forests, or catching fish from lakes and oceans. The primary sector is essential because it provides the raw materials for other sectors. Without this foundation, the economy would not be able to produce food, materials for clothing, or resources like coal and minerals. Secondary sector, transforming raw materials. The secondary sector involves processing raw materials from the primary sector into finished products. People in this sector work in factories, construction sites, and other industries that transform basic materials into something new. For example, cotton from farms is turned into fabric for clothing and iron ore is processed into steel for cars. Activities in the secondary sector include building houses, manufacturing goods, and providing utilities like electricity, water, and gas. Without the secondary sector, raw materials would not be able to be transformed into the products we use daily. Tertiary sector, providing essential services. The tertiary sector is all about services that support both the primary and secondary sectors. These activities do not produce goods but provide services that keep everything running smoothly. Examples include transporting products from farms to markets, repairing machinery, or offering professional services like healthcare, education, and legal advice. Service providers, such as drivers, teachers, doctors, and technicians, play a vital role in the economy. They ensure goods reach consumers and that people have access to the services they need. Communication, banking, hospitality, and many other industries fall under the tertiary sector. The connection between sectors. Each economic sector depends on the others to function. The primary sector supplies raw materials, the secondary sector transforms them, and the tertiary sector ensures the smooth operation of services and distribution. All three sectors are interconnected and play a crucial role in the entire economic system. Imagine visiting a village in Gujarat, where we see how the three sectors work together. Farmers grow crops, primary sector. These crops are processed into goods like flour or textiles, secondary sector, and then they are transported and sold by vendors, tertiary sector. This shows how each sector supports the others and keeps the economy moving. Dairy cooperatives, from cow to consumer. In Gujarat, farmers start their day by milking their cows or buffaloes, which are an important part of their livelihood. They sell the milk to nearby dairy centers and receive payment at the end of the month based on how much milk they provide and its quality. However, things were not always this way. About 50 years ago, farmers faced many difficulties selling their milk.